Okay, hello, my name is David Glover from St. George's Prep School, and I decided I was going to show you three methods of working out the highest common factor. Often children don't really relate to one method, and they like to know various methods to work out problems. So we're going to start with the highest common factor of 42 and 56. Now everybody knows the factor method, where you list the factors of 42 and the factors of 56. So you go 1 times 42 gives you 42, 2 times 21, it does go in. Does 3 go into 42? Some people don't know. If you don't know, you can just do a little division sum to check out. 3 goes in there once, 3 goes in there 4 times, so it's 3 and 14. Does 4 go in? No. Does 5 go in? No. Does 6 go in? Yes. And 6 times 7 gives you 42. Then with 56, 1 times 56, 2 times 28. Does 3 go into 56? We can check. No, it doesn't. 4 goes into 56 14 times. So we can see, we can carry on listing all the factors, but we don't have to.
Jesse,
we found the highest one, which is 14. Then that is the first method, that's the listing factors method. The second method, the ones that the high schools like to teach, is the prime factorization method. This is where you break them up into the product of their prime factors using the line method. So 56, you first divide by 2 until you can't divide by 2 anymore. Then I divide by 7, so it's 2 to the power of 3 times by 7. Then I take 42. 2 doesn't go into 42, so then we use 3. And it's 2 times 3 times 7. So then if I look at the factors, now, when I'm doing the prime factorization method, for the highest common factor, you need the lowest power, and the number has to be represented in both lists. So 2 is in both lists, and the lowest power of 2 is obviously lower than 2 to the power of 3, so we use the 2. 3 is not in both lists, so we can't use the 3. 7 is in both lists, and the lowest power of 7 is 7. So the answer is 2 times 7, which is 14. So now we can see I got the answer of 14 using the factor method and 14 using the prime factorization method. The last method, which I'm going to show you, I hope I can fit it in at the bottom here, is the Euclidean method. Now the Euclidean method is, I'll also call it the division method. So how it works, I'm just going to move the chair quickly. How the division method works is you take the biggest number and you divide by the smaller number and you get 1 remainder 14. Then you take the number you divided by and you divide by the remainder. And now if you don't know how many times 14 goes into 42, you can check and you do a little sum. 14 times 3. So it goes in exactly 3 times remainder 0. As soon as you've got remainder 0, you know the number you divided by, the divisor, is your highest common factor when you've got remainder 0. So my highest common factor again equals to 14. So those are the 3 methods. I hope you enjoyed them. Thank you very much.